Oh, that's beautiful also. Okay, today on the 2nd of March 2023, this is Suonionkatu. Let's get this visualizer. It's not Suonionkatu, I'll check it later. Staircase D, and we have only got the staircase C left to be filmed here. And there's residential building, it's Suonionkatu. That's the gate scores, also in Finland. Look at these beautiful doors. Very beautiful. Love this chocolate. And with some floors here. And it's actually finished on the back one, as it should be. So 1996, no, it's 1996. Probably late 1996. It says 98 on the glass on the door. And the number says 472. And it says 2 rides. We'll be expecting at that before. They're 95 years old, and 2021 and Rosacea turned 25 years old.
This device was maintained by Kone.
Oh, second time.
Yeah.
It looks like brand new.
Yeah.
I love it when they didn't rip off any of the languages. We have that beautiful Kone logo there.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you very much. Anyone wants to stick this A and B here? A was generic, very good generics. And B was in 2003 with Kone features and the green button as well. Only the C left to be filmed.
That's